In today's video, I will show you how to create customer information. Customer management is a very important topic in property management. So, I will demonstrate how to create the custom table and structure for it. Now, I will create the table. After that, I will create a page. Then, I will build a form to allow data input. Once the form is ready, I will add a button that can be used to call or open the form. I will modify the items in the form as needed. Here, I'm renaming the address-related columns properly. And I'll convert the active field into a radio button. You can also modify it your own way as needed. Here, I will hide the customer ID field and create a trigger to automatically generate the customer ID. This trigger auto-generates a customer_ID before inserting a new row into the PM_customer table. How it works. Checks if a new.customer_ID is null. Finds the highest existing numeric part after cust. Adds 1 to it and pads it to 5 digits. Sets the new ID as cust 00001, cust 00002, etc. Example output, cust 00001, cust 00023. I am proceeding to create the trigger now. I'm modifying the customer type field as needed. Now I'll test it by adding one entry. The data has been created. Now I need to create a report. I used to join in the report so that the user's name is displayed. At this stage, I'll adjust the column names as per my requirements or preferences. Now I will link the form with the report so that the data can be edited. To refresh the report after the dialog is closed, we need to create a dynamic action. So, as we can see, our customer information form has been successfully created.